Are you in need of converting EDB to PST? Introducing SysTools EDB to PST Converter. Convert data from inaccessible and corrupted Exchange EDB file into multiple file formats. Key features of the software. The tool converts offline Exchange EDB mailboxes to PST securely. You can extract public folders and private mailbox to PST format. This expert tool removes SMIME and OpenPGP email encryption in mailbox. The software creates individual PST for each mailbox in the EDB file. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools EDB to PST Converter. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the download button. Now install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Here you will see the option of Add File to add EDB files. Click on the Add File. One window will appear here. In this window you will see the two options. Select File and Search File. If you want to add desired file, then click on the Select File option. In the Search File option, the tool search your file owned by on. In this option, tool provides two options. Search selected drive and search all drive. Click on the Select File option and browse the file. Choose the file and click on the Open button. If emails are encrypted with SMIME or OpenPGP, then click on Remove Encryption option. Enter the required details and click on the Done. Software will remove your file encryption. Use the Quick Scan option if the file has minimum corruption. If the file is highly corrupted, then use the Advanced Scan option. Once you satisfy with added data, click on the Add button. The tool will start the scanning process. You will see the folder tree in the left side of the software pane. Select any folder and you will see the All emails in the right side of the software pane. If you select any email, you will see the email preview in the bottom. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails like normal mail view, hex view, properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF, and attachments. Default view option will be normal mail view. If you want to export selected emails, then select the emails and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all emails, then click on the Export option. A window will appear. Select any folder which you want to export. Here you will see multiple export option. Select PST radio button and click on Advanced Settings option. Now you will see the PST split option. You can choose Split PST button to divide the mailboxes into multiple PST files of preferred size. To export specific date range data, select the date range option, and click on the Add button. Select the date. Now select the month. Select the year. Repeat the same process to add the end date. You can add multiple date range. If you want to remove added date range, then you can remove by clicking on the Remove option. Now comes the Categories option. In this option you can check or uncheck categories box as per your need. Click on the Save button to save the settings. Here you can see the default location to save converted files. If you want to change the default location, click on the Browse button. Select the destination path, and click on the OK button. You can select the Maintain Folder hierarchy to maintain the folder structure. If you do not want to export empty folder, then you can select the Don't Export Empty Folders. For select this option, you have to unselect the Maintain Folder hierarchy option. Also you can choose the Ignore System Folders to exclude all the system folder while exporting process. At last, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. The tool will start the conversion process. Once the export process is completed successfully, click on the OK button. Export status window will pops up. In this window you can see your export status. You can directly access the converted file by clicking on the location. Here you will see the converted PST files. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.